So hi folks, this is the ram wall, the so-called pathway, one of the parts of the path towards Echo Hut, and we already are a couple of segments further along the way, and now we are already, as I told you, very well known for the tourists, the ram wall, because this is very slope part of the pathway. You can see over there it's very dangerous, but when you are very careful and slow, it's not that big problem, and we have to go over there and continue to see where the path goes. Probably up there, maybe there, but I doubt that it's gonna be so much circling around the mountain. It should be through over there somewhere. And as you see, absolutely lovely view and dangerous. It's getting more sunshiny. From time to time fog is coming again for some time, then going away, but definitely it's getting better this day. They say it's going to be like that, getting better weather. So see you in the next video. I hope you enjoy the views here.